DHAI stock analysis and DHAI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 45,000 videos and has proof of everything. So, you know, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And especially now with the holdings, the DIH. I said that if I see a double break, I'm looking to take things down. And I'm definitely still sticking to that idea. I've gotten my first one. So if there is a second break beneath 24 cents, I'm of course going to look to take things further lower, because just recently got stopped out of -1R. But no doubt about it, this is still a bearish market, and it's only really going to be bullish in my eyes if I start seeing breaks above 70 cents. But again, we're not near that, so that's how DHAI is looking like for me. I do see about 4 receipts in the Discord as well, so that's DIH. And if you want to stay tuned, want to get stock picks, tips, and insights for free, check the first link in the description. Other people are charging money for this. You can get it for free. Goodbye and enjoy.